Hey, and happy Saturday. Am I the only one just make up their own recipe? I'm sure I'm not. But today, I just had a taste for something different. So, see, I got some squash. And I have got some zucchini. And I wanted some fried. You know, it's Texas Fair time. So it's fry. So I'm gonna try a new recipe. So I've cut up my squash, squeezing a little lemon on it, give it some taste. And I'm gonna flour it in Jiffy. Whoa, give it a little sweet taste. I'm gonna fry it in olive oil. So, hey, hold on. I will get back with you, tell you how it goes. Okay, now I got my seasoning. My son is gonna kill me because he likes for me to use healthy seasoning, but I love lemon pepper. I do have his sea salt though, just a little bit on there. So now I got my Jiffy. I'll pour it in the thing. So now I don't spread my lemon on top. So now what I do is I put inside here. Put me some inside here. And then, so I don't have to be floured and get my hands all floury. I shake it up. So the Jiffy get all over it. And so now, it's time to fry. Yeah, hold on. So as you see, it is frying in the olive oil. Yeah, Texas style. So here it is. Here's my fried zucchini and fried squash. Let me tell you, look how golden, either golden brown or just, you know, a little brown. All depends on what you like. But here, let's taste one. Oh my goodness. Try it.